90. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, a hypothetical form of AI that could understand or learn any intellectual task that a human can. This is the type of AI often depicted in science fiction. It contrasts with today's narrow AI, which is specialized for one task. Achieving AGI is a long-term goal and a subject of intense debate. Raises profound questions about the future of humanity and consciousness. 91. The Singularity, a hypothetical future point in time when technological growth becomes uncontrollable and irreversible. Often associated with the creation of an AGI that rapidly self-improves. Its potential consequences are a major topic in AI safety and futurism. A concept popularized by futurist Ray Kurzweil. The ultimate, what-if, scenario in the development of artificial intelligence. 92. Federated learning, a technique that trains a model across many decentralized devices without sharing the raw data. Your phone can help improve a keyboard prediction model without your text ever leaving your device. A powerful approach for building AI systems that preserve user privacy. The central server only receives model updates, not the personal data itself. It's a way to get the benefits of large datasets without the privacy risks. 93. Meta-learning, also known as learning to learn, it's about training models that can learn new tasks quickly. Aims to design models that can adapt to new problems with very little data. It's a step towards more general and flexible artificial intelligence. The model learns the process of learning itself, not just one specific task. A promising research area for creating more efficient and adaptable AI. 94. Quantum machine learning, an emerging field that explores the use of quantum computing for machine learning tasks. Quantum computers could potentially solve optimization problems much faster than classical ones. May lead to breakthroughs in areas like drug discovery and materials science. Still in the early stages of research, but has enormous long-term potential. It combines two of the most transformative technologies of our time. 95. Causal inference, a field that aims to understand cause and effect relationships from data, not just correlations. Correlation does not imply causation, is its central mantra. Tries to answer, what if, questions, like the effect of a new policy. Goes beyond prediction to provide deeper, actionable insights. A very challenging but crucial area for making truly intelligent decisions. 96. Multimodal AI systems that can process and understand information from multiple types of data at once. An AI that can see an image, listen to a question about it, and give a text answer. Mimics how humans experience the world, by combining senses like sight and hearing. Models like GPT-4 have started to integrate these capabilities. Leads to a more holistic and contextual understanding of the world. 97. Human-in-the-loop, a model that combines human and machine intelligence to create better systems. Uses human feedback to help train, tune, and test an AI model. Particularly useful when data is scarce or when the cost of an error is high. Ensures that human judgment and expertise are not lost in the automation process. It's about collaboration between humans and AI, not just replacement. 98. Zero-shot and few-shot learning, a model's ability to perform a task without zero-shot, or with very few-shot examples. Modern LLMs can often perform tasks they were never explicitly trained on. A sign of a model's ability to generalize its knowledge effectively. Reduces the need for massive, labeled datasets for every new task. A key capability that makes large language models so versatile and powerful. 99. Python, the dominant programming language for AI, machine learning, and data science. Its simple syntax and vast ecosystem of libraries make it ideal for AI development. Libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn are the standard tools. Knowing Python is a fundamental skill for anyone wanting to build AI. It's the lingua franca of the global AI community. 100. Curiosity and lifelong learning, the most important mindset for anyone involved in the field of AI. The field is evolving at an incredible pace. What's new today is old tomorrow. You must constantly be learning new techniques, tools, and ethical considerations. A passion for solving problems and asking why will be your greatest asset. Your AI journey is a marathon of continuous learning, not a sprint.